This classic song is more than just chords. It's about feel, emotion, and those tasty little fills. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the rhythm down, plus a few cool licks to make your playing stand out. Real quick, if you don't already know who I am, my name's Wade Collins, and I run Guitar Fastlane, a worldwide online guitar school. I've been playing, performing, teaching, and writing songs for over 20 years. I've played on many stages, in bands, and solo, and even recorded and mixed albums. But enough about me, let's get to the lesson. So this is a great classic song by the group Lynyrd Skynyrd, and it's called Simple Man. It has a great example of some chord changes, how you can transition between chords using walking up or walking down, and we're also going to mix in some arpeggios and picking into it. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. So let's start nice and simple. The chords in this song are C major, G major, and then A minor. And partway through in this song, he adds his pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string when playing the A minor chord, which turns it into an A minor 7 chord. So what we're going to do is play a strumming pattern which goes down, 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 up. So we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Let's add the chords into it now. So we got C major, play down, 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 up, and then G major, down, 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 up, and then A minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So I got C major for 1 bar, down, 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 up, G major, down, 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 up, and then A minor, down, 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 up, and then another bar of A minor, down, and then we can add the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string to give the A minor 7th. So we play down, 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 up. Gives it a nice sound. So the first strum in that bar is just on its own, A minor, and then we add A minor 7 for 2 strums, and then the final strum up is back to the regular A minor. So down, 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 up. So here's the whole thing. C major, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 so down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Hey, if you're enjoying this lesson, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It helps me know what to create for you next. Thanks so much, and let's get back into it. Now, how can we start adding some more spice into this? So what we can do is add some walk-ins. If you listen to the song, you'll notice this walk-in that they do on the A string. So they walk A, B, C, walking right up into the C chord. So we could go. So if you're going to do that walk up, you're going to have to change things a little bit. So we went down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So instead of playing it like that, you're going to have to cut that ending a little sooner. So you could go down, down, down. So down, A minor, and then A minor 7, and then walk up. So the A minor part would go down, 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 up, down, down. So that's one way you can add some more variety in this. You can do a walk up, which brings you back to the starting chord, which is C major. You can also add some walk downs into it, or you can play it like the original song, which has a picking riff to go along with it. So this would be the next level. So if you listen to the song, like I mentioned, there's a walk in. We've got A, B, and then they play the C major chord. But they're not just playing the C major chord, they're picking through these chords. So they walk in, and on the 1 count, we hit the root note of the C major chord. And then there's a common picking pattern that goes throughout this song. So they hit the root note, which is C in the C major chord. And then they start on the G string. They pick up, up, up. So they start on the G string and move to lower notes. 1, 2, 3. And then they go to the B string. And they pick up, 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 down. And then they do something really similar with the G major chord. So they play G. Notice it's the same pattern. So they play the root note, which is a G in the G major chord. Start on the G string, you pick up 3 times. And then they go to the B string, up, 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 down. So we're moving to lower notes 3 times, and then we jump up to the B string, play lower notes 3 times, and then jump back up to the G string. And you can do something similar with the A minor chord. So play the root note, which is A in the A minor chord, and then jump to the G string, pick up, 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 and then jump to the B string, play up, 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 and then jump down a string. And then you repeat that again. And then this is when they add in the A minor 7 note. So add your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E string, hit that note, and then hit the B string. So that's that last bar. So if you play the whole thing from start to finish with the walk-in and also with these picking notes, it'll look like this at a slower speed. And then G, and then A minor, and then A minor again with the A minor 7 finish. And then walk back to the C major chord. So here it is again. All right, there you go. So there's 3 different ways that you can play the Simple Man riff. So you can play it with just the chords, strumming it. Then you can add the walk-ins or walk-downs to make it a little more interesting. And then the next level would be adding the arpeggios. So you're doing the walk-ins and you're also picking the notes in each chord. Now the next part I want to cover is the distorted guitar riff. So it's not too hard to play, but it really adds a cool sound to this song. So again, we're going to reuse that walking riff where we walk into the C note. So this main riff, you'd go, so A, B, C, and then they do a bend on the 5th fret of the A string. So I'd use my 3rd finger for that and use my 1st and 2nd fingers to help with the bend. And we're not going to bend the string up because you got a risk of pushing it off of the fretboard and it'll make a terrible sound. So instead we're going to bend the string down. So we're going to bend and release the bend. So you bend it down so the pitch goes up and then release back to the regular note. So we got like that. And then you use your 1st finger to play the 3rd fret of the A string and then the 3rd fret of the low E string. So we got, and then you're going to repeat that bend again. Play the 3rd fret of the A string with the 1st finger, and then the 5th fret of the low E string with your 3rd finger. And then for the final section, you're going to play the open low E string, 3rd fret of the low E string with the 1st finger, and then back to the low E string, play it open. So play, and then you're going to play the 3rd fret again with your 1st finger, and then hammer on with your 3rd finger on the 5th fret. So that's that final section. So this is the whole riff right here. And if you can, try and add some vibrato in there. So you play, and add it onto the low E string notes. Right there on the 3rd fret, low E string. 5th fret of low E string. And right there on the 5th fret again. There you go. So now you know 2 riffs from the song Simple Man. You know the intro picking riff, which sounds really nice on acoustic guitar. And you also know the distorted guitar riff, which also sounds great on acoustic guitar, but sounds even cooler on electric guitar, with a little bit of distortion cranked up on there. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. We covered a few different things: how to play the song with strumming, how to play it with strumming in a walk-in, and also how to play it with arpeggios and walk-ins. And don't just play the song, but also think how you can apply the same stuff to other stuff that you're playing. So other songs, different chord progressions that you've tried, and also other stuff that you might be coming up with on your own or writing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. You've made it this far, so I know you're serious about improving your guitar skills. Why not keep the momentum going? Hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss our future lessons, and then click on your next lesson right here. I think you'll love it. I'll see you over there.